Pleasant morning to one and all. I'm Dr. Sumitra, an associate professor from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today we are going to discuss all about a disk attachment in operating system. A disk attachment in operating system is how the OS connects and communicates with the storage devices. It ensures the data remains available even after the system shutdown. This is essential for executing the application, managing the files, and maintaining the performance. The increase in demand for the data storage is evident as a global market value across the dollar of 2.40 billions in 2023. The foundations of the disk storage is where it's introduced two core type of storage like HDD and SSD. HDD uses a spinning platter and offers a larger capacity affordability, whereas SSD uses a flash memory for high speed and low latency. The OS manages before both through block devices, which abstracts the hardware, letting it access data efficiently, regarding less of the physical medium. Physical interface technologies where there various interfaces technologies for connecting a storage SAT is commonly in a desktop, offering up to 6 gigabytes. SAS is used in enterprises setting for a speed and latency. NVMe is a fastest leveraging PC LAN directly, which is connected to the CPU, ideal for the performance critical application, choosing the right interface, both speed and reliability. Here comes a logical disk management. The OS uses a logical disk management for a storage control. It starts with partitioning the disk MBR for a small formatting which sets up to the file system like NTFC or extend. The file system manages how the data is stored, accessed and secure. Features like journalist improves the system resiliency. A direct attachment storage where it refers to the storage directly connected to the server or a PC, like internal HDD or USB devices. It is simple and fast, essential with the technologies like Thunderbolt, but DAC lacks scalability and sharing, making it suitable for individual user or a small setup, not large scale environment or a collaboration based system. Here comes a network attached storage. NAS offers a file-level storage over a network. It allows a multiple users to access its shared files using protocol like SMP and NFC or FTP. It's a greater solution for a centralized backup and collaboration. However, its performance is limited by a network speed, so a 1 gigabytes network may come to a bottleneck in a high demand environment. And here comes a storage area network where SAN provides a block level access over a dedicated high speed network using a protocols like fiber channel or ICCSE, unlike SAA and SAN appears as a local disk to the operating system, making it greater for a database and high performance need. It's powerful and scalable, but expansive and complex, thus common in the large enterprises. The virtual disk next comes the virtual disk attachment. In virtualization and the cloud, a storage is often virtual. Cyber visual like VMware or Cyber VMAP virtual disk to physical storage. Cloud providers like AWS offers a scalable block storage like VPF. This setup decouple the hardware from the storage, enabling flexibility, mobility, and robust disasters and recovery strategies. Hence, I conclude this by stating that a storage has enveloped from the basic direct connection to advanced cloud and the software defined model. The future trends points towards technologies like persistent memory, edge computing, and AI driven solution. The choice of the storage architecture may be aligned with the data needs and the performance expectations and the future scalability. Uh, I hope you're clear with this concept of how your evolutions of storage paradigm is carried out in our operating system, and the future trends is also included over there on SDS. which we call it as a software-defined storage and edge storage of IoT. I hope you're clear with this concept. Thank you.